Welcome to another episode of the Lead Evolve Speaker Series. Today, I'm going to talk about the importance of being neat and organized. Have you seen desks like these? Or this? Well, what impression does it project? If you're messy, people around you conclude that you're inefficient, not dependable, sloppy, unreliable, not competent. So, is it important to be neat and organized? The answer is yes. You not only want to project a good image of yourself to your colleagues, superiors, bosses, but also to increase your own productivity. You can save on time. You can use this time to do other important tasks. In a study that was done in the US, 98% of senior executives said that they would not promote a messy person. They would not give a messy person more responsibilities. So it's imperative that you get organized in your work life and also your personal life. So here is an easy to remember system for being organized. The FART system. F stands for file. File away. You might get some papers, you need to refer it for future use. That could be a policy, could be some procedures, could be some brochures, some manuals. File it. A. Action. This is what you need to action now. Maybe prepare a report, call somebody, or send an email to somebody. That's your A item, action. R. Refer it. Delegate it either to your subordinates, to your peers, to somebody else in another department. R is refer. T is trash it, throw it away. There are many items that we receive in a day which only needs a single glance from you. After that, you need not refer it. So the FART system works beautifully, not only for your physical papers, but also for your emails. If you're a busy professional, you should look at one email only once. Decide on which category it belongs to, FART, and act accordingly. After you do that, start working on your action file. It's been proven that if you have a uncluttered work environment, you can increase your productivity by almost 40%. Here are few more organizing tips. Clear clutter from your desk, from your bag, from your computer, from your car, from your home, and do this often. Throw things away on a regular basis. Have a place for everything and put them there. Not only in your office, but even at home. Whether it is your electricity bill, water bill, your tax statements, your bank statements, keep them organized. You never know when you're going to need them. And when you need them, you don't want to waste time looking for it. One of my earliest mentors always used to say this: keep a diary and a pen handy at all times. He used to carry one in his pocket all the time. And I've seen many senior executives do this. Now in today's times, you need not carry a diary and a pen. It can even be an app in your phone. Unsubscribe from mailing lists, newsletters, which you do not need, which you do not read. All it takes is a click of the mouse. Well, that's it from my side today. See you again in another video.